Unit 9, part 3. This is still page 361. Question number 18. Solve. The product of two consecutive integers is 72. Find all the solutions. Okay, there's some vocabulary we need to clear first. So what is a product? What is consecutive integer? So what does consecutive means and what is integer means? All right, okay. Integer means a whole number. Whole numbers. Negative, positive, doesn't matter. Or zero. Zero is integer too. It's a special integer. Product. What is product? For example, if we have 3 times 4 equal to 12, 12 is the product of 3 and 4. So product is basically the result of a multiplication. Consecutive. What does consecutive mean? Consecutive means continuous the neighbors. I'm not sure about the academic definition. Consecutive, next, okay, for example, 3, 4, 5, they are consecutive numbers. They follow by each other. The neighbor, they followed. Okay, 8, 9. Okay, 5 and 8, they are not consecutive numbers. But 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3, they are consecutive numbers, right? They followed each other by from small to big, the order, right? They followed by orderly. I forgot exactly the academic definition, but I think at this point, you pretty much understand the definition. Okay. Can we set up equation to solve? Okay. Let one number. Okay, let one number. We have 2, right? We need to solve for 2. Okay. Let the smaller one. Let the smaller number be what? Be x. And then the consecutive, the bigger number, right? The bigger one is what? The bigger one must be x plus 1. Yeah? So when they multiply, because the question is said product, so x times x plus 1 equal to 72. Now let's solve the equation. I'm going to multiply x, this x squared, x times 1, that's 1x. And the 72, I'm going to move it to the left. So 72 become negative 72. So now I need to figure out the two numbers. When they multiply, they equal to 72. When they add, they equal to 1. Right? So those two number is what? The two number is, I'm thinking about 8 and 9. Right? I'm thinking about 8 and 9. Either negative 8, negative 8 times 9 equal to 72. Negative 8, negative times positive negative, and the negative 8 plus 9, that's 1. Okay, I think I got the correct number. So x minus 8 times x plus 9 equal to 0. X minus 8 equal to 0. Now I'm setting two parts equal to 0. So this one x equal to positive 8. X equal to 8. This one x equal to negative 9. Okay. So we have two solutions. So the smaller number can be either 8 or negative 9. Okay, so I have two solutions, two set of solutions. So if the smaller number is 8, then the bigger number is what? The bigger number is 8 plus 1, right? Add 1. So the number must be 9. So the first set of solution, that means that the number is 8. One number is 8, another number is 9. Hey, 8 and 9, they are neighbor. They just follow each other. 9 follows 8, right? It's consecutive number. Okay, this is one set of solution. What about the second one, negative 9? So if the smaller number is negative 9, and then the bigger number is negative 9 plus 1, right? Add 1, so that's negative 8. So another set of solution is negative 9 and negative 8. Negative 9, negative 8, they are also consecutive integers. So now we have two sets of solution. That's number 18. Number 19. The length of a rectangle. Oh, the length of a rectangle is 8 feet more than its width. So I'm thinking if the width is x, so the length must be, because the length is 8 feet more, so add 8 feet. The area is 84 square feet, right? Find the length and width. Okay, we know the area for rectangular, just the length times width, right? The area of, if we have a rectangle, one side is A, another side is B, so the area equals just A times B. One side times another side, right? So for this one, we know the area is 84, and the width times the length equal to 84. Now let's solve it. So x times x squared, x times 8, 8x, and I'm moving 84 to the other side. Okay, what two number multiply to negative 84 and add equal to 8? One number must be negative, one number must be positive. I'm thinking, what are the two numbers? Let's check. 84, let me find out the factors. At least I can divide by 2. 2 is the factor, one of the factors. So 84 divided by 2, that's 42. Divide by 2 again, that's 21. 21, I can change 21 to 3 times 7. So 2, 2, 3, 7, they are the factors. I have to change them to, let me think. I can change to 2 times 7, that's 14. Then 14 times 6, that's 84. And 14 minus 6, that's 8. The number must be 14 and 6. And because the sum is 8, the sum is positive, so the bigger number must be positive. So 14 and negative 6. So I can change the equation to x plus 14 times x minus 6 equal to 0. X plus 14 equal to 0, or x minus 6 equal to 0. So the first one, x equal to negative 14, and the second one, x equal to 6. Okay, sometimes in the real world, the solution may not make any sense. For example, this one, the width of a rectangle is negative. This is impossible. In the real world, we don't have any length is negative. So this solution, we're not going to use it. So we're going to choose this one. So that means the width is 6. And the length the length is x plus 8, right? So 6 plus 8, that's 14. So we solved for the triangle. One side is 6, another side is 14. So far the first page is done. The page 361 is